We're gonna go have a picnic today. That was Mikey, Janice, and our little day-off day in Vancouver. Springtime in Vancouver. Happy Spring! Tama na, Happy Spring! Ay, ganda! Thank you.
Be mainit! Magpapanjay pa tayo?
Huwag na! Gusto mo pa ba?
Na?
Sige.
Gotta have a lot of love. Gotta have a whole lot of love from you, little girl. Gotta have a whole lot of love from you, little girl, right now. Tonight I was thinking of how we used to be, hoping and praying you to come on back to me. I want love. Gotta have a lot of love. Gotta have a whole lot of love from you, little girl.
Day off ko ngayon, so we planned it here kasi gusto sana namin makita ng cherry blossoms, pero apparently wala na. Pero may kilala naman ako nagbo-blossom pa rin. Sabi sa kanya ng 7-Eleven guy, ang ganda daw niya, which is ang ganda naman niya talaga. Asawa ko yun eh. Kiss niya, kiss, kiss. I love you. Papakita ko sa yung food namin. Tapos sa yung food namin. Cheap food lang. 7-Eleven chicken wings. And Richmond Chinese food. And ito ang rice roll. Yun yung kinain namin dati sa New York. Masarap din dito. Or New York is still the best.
New York pa din.
Pero, kakain muna kami kasi gutom na kami. And bukas mag-hike kami. Oh my God. Beef. Thank you, Lord.
So na, compromise.
8 a.m.
Dahil pumayag ka mag-hike, 8 a.m. na lang.
Yeah, 8 a.m. Nakapag-banding pa kami mamaya. Oh my God, ang sarap ng tofu.
Alam mo, pagka hindi umangin.
Sarap ng tofu.
Pagka hindi umangin, okay yun, no?
Tayo ang daga. Sarap nun. Tsaka cauliflower. Guys, napakaganda na ng weather.
May bukay ba?
Pareho. Darating na sila mama next week. Sila mommy and daddy next week. And si Duel Bean. Chicken wings time.
Sarap. Ito na, binali mo.
Sabi pa niya, ba't mo ganyan? Consumerism ka naman. Ang ganda sa Canada. God bless this country. Pero maganda na sa Philippines. Pero grabe
paano kaya
dito.
ito, bebe?
Buhos mo ni sauce.
Sarap, mahang.
So, dito sa Canada, pag makita nyo, itatak sa inyo yung view. Kunin mo na, malinis pa yan. Pakita ko sa inyo yung view dito. Beach doon, and people are flying the kites. Oh, beach yun. Flying their kites and everything. And yan yung sunset. Makikita namin yung sunset.
Gotta have a whole lot of love from you, little girl. Gotta have a whole lot of love from you, little girl, right now. Tonight I was thinking of how we used to be, hoping and praying you to come on back to me.
Little dream of me.
Ano ba mga kanta mo?
Baka wala lang sa tono.
Ano ba yun?
Baka rinig ko si Mama sa kanta.